What's up, everybody? What are y'all up to today? Because today I'm about to drive 2.5 hours to Max Glaze's shop. If you don't know Max Glaze, he is very well known on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, probably everywhere. I think he has some buddies film a bunch of stuff for him on YouTube that he's in. He doesn't really have his own YouTube or anything, but amazing painter. He's freaking awesome. He just sprayed some body parts for me. Front bumper complete, color match, tailgate handle, stuff like that, color match, everything, badge delete, everything like that. I have an 08 Chevy Silverado. Might as well show you guys what's up. How do I get the camera to flip? Alright, everybody, so this is my 2008 Chevy Silverado. As you can see, it had no bumper on it. And she ain't got no tailgate. But this is her. She's got daggone meat on her, boy. With some newer stocks. And yes, she is a 6.0 V8 package truck. So, anyways, a few months ago, a girl hit my truck in the front end and just absolutely destroyed my bumper. So, and don't worry about this, I got to get that painted as well. I should have had him paint it at the end, but it is what it is. I can get it painted another time. But anyway, got new headlights, new grill, new bumper pieces, new inner fenders, everything, and tailgate, new tailgate cap. So she's gonna be looking right here soon. But this is her. She says pretty mean. It's a 3-inch level by MotoFab, and then I've got 2 to 4 uppers with nothing in the rear. So kind of just that aggressive lean stance. I like it. My co-workers kind of make fun of me sometimes saying it's squatted, but I think she says pretty mean, to be honest with you. But it's kind of stupid looking without no bumper. But also got new tow hooks. I don't know if I said that, but anyway, we about to drive to Max's. We got the whole truck loaded down with parts, new grill, headlights, inner fenders, all the bumper bolts and everything. Got it, mounting brackets for the bumpers. Got some tools in the truck, everything like that. So we finna go knock it out, fellas. All right, fellas, we're at the shop. Max is nice enough to let me use the bay to get this bumper put together and then the truck put back together. His F-250 is hard, and then everybody knows his white truck is pretty tough too. I'll try to show those in the video later and everything, but right now we fitting to tear the truck apart, old headlights, old grill, get it out my way, and start getting this thing going. All right, people, after just an hour or so, me and Max got the bumper put back together. She's looking good. That's mean. We also got the tailgate done, which looks absolutely amazing. Had to go with the color match handle. He kind of talked me into it, but pretty sick. So there it is. It's pretty much done. Got to throw the inner fenders in it now. Other than that, big shout out to Max. Great dude, great pricing. I'll try to link his stuff or flash his Instagram and stuff up on the camera, up on the screen or whatever you like to call it. But yeah, let me use the space. Dude, Great guy. But yeah, we got it pretty much done. Looking good. First time I've had a bumper on it since freaking 2 or 3 months ago. And it just looks good. So it's the next day. I was tired. Real tired. So I didn't make an update last night when I got home. It was like 9:30. Made me some dinner and went to bed. I was sleepy. But anyway, got that done, cutting some grass. And here, man, oh man, Max did his thing. We got the tailgate redone. I had a dent right there. Can't even tell anymore. He did a great job. Tailgate handle, had to go color match on it. But she is looking good. Drove home last night, just good and dandy. And she's finally got that bumper back on her. She's looking mean. He did a great job on the paint. Had to go with the tow hooks. Chrome mesh grill. Just looking right, man. Sorry I didn't film something last night. And yeah, she's a little bit dirty, but I've got 1,000 degrees out here. And I'm not really trying to wash it. And also last night I was tired. Real tired. When I got home, she's looking good. Max did a great job. That'll be it, fellas, for this one. Appreciate if you do watch. If you don't, then you're not even here for me to say thank you or screw you, one of the two. But anyway, truck's looking good. I'll throw Max's stuff on the screen throughout the video because he deserves a shout out. He deserves the plug. So y'all go hit him up, but that's it.